Are you watching TV in here?
What? I'm almost tall.
You're almost tall enough to touch it?
Yeah. Me, please. I'm most tall. Reach up that.
Are you?
Watch. See? I'm most tall.
And they're pulling a sleigh. Hey, it's Franklin?
Christmas.
Yeah.
We'll split up. Maybe we can find out which way they went.
You're not supposed to jump on the bed, right?
It's Rosie.
Rosie, is that you?
They must have taken her. But where
No.
could they be?
The Rosie.
Oh my star.
Rosie the horsey?
Yeah.
Oh. This is how you watch your show?
Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Where's your clothes?
Down there. I picked them up and I was hot.
You were too hot?
Yeah.
Remember, no jumping on the bed, right?
I just
Whose bed is this?
Franklin.
mine.
It's Vanessa's bed.
Now
Thank goodness you're all safe.
we go flying.
So you did.
This way, Dr. Bear. My father's taken quite a spill.
Yeah.
Lead the way. Grandma?
Say goodbye.
Bye.